Blessed and beyond morning to all of you. You know what? If there is ever a time that God is speaking so loud, ito na yung time na yun. Ito na yung season na yun. At ito na yung mga circumstances na nangyayari ngayon. I remember in one of my preachings, I said, God is moving in the opposite direction of the path we want for life. Alam mo kasi, when we want life to be in order, no chaos, and we want everything to be truly peaceful, it is when God allows things to happen. Parang yung earthquake, He allows storms to rage, earthquakes to happen, and we see chaos all around even more. However, this is not because God's ways is to bring destruction or trouble, or He wants our lives destroyed. The truth is, through the chaos, He wants us to have peace and order us that is beyond this world. He allows things and situations to let us know that the day of the Lord's coming is near. And indeed, Jesus is coming soon and He's coming back. And we need to allow Him to take things in order in our life according to His perspective. Yung ilagay ba ni Lord yung things sa buhay natin in His perspective, in the order of His perspective, to remind these children that this corrupted world is not our home, that we should be prepared when the day comes that we are to transition to the place of His promise. God speaks louder more than ever before sa mga nangyayari sa kapaligiran natin. We only really need to discern and listen. And if we ever feel that God is far, know that He is nearer than we ever think or imagine. We need to wake up from our sleep of complacency and start looking unto Jesus, making sure that we are prepared for His return, that our hearts are right and in order with Him. In all of these things happening, remember that God the Father has proven His love through His Son Jesus dying on the cross for us. If He is speaking louder today, it is because He loves us. Everything happening around us is not about condemnation, it's about God's love. It's about the love of Jesus for us, that He is coming back for us, and He wants us prepared for His coming. And being prepared is excited and ready for it. Yun yung gusto ni Lord para sa atin, because truly He is coming back for His beloved. And you know what, kapatid? That beloved is you. I hope you're blessed. Shalom and goodbye. God bless.